This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Disc brake pads, front and rear. Replacement. Pull the hood release lever located above the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Remove the cap from the brake fluid reservoir. Chock the front wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts, then raise the rear of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the rear wheels. Position a drain pan under the brake assembly and clean the caliper and surrounding area with brake system cleaner. Position a large C-clamp over the caliper and squeeze the piston back into its bore to provide room for the new brake pads. As the piston is depressed to the bottom of its caliper bore, the fluid in the master cylinder reservoir will rise. Make sure it doesn't overflow. If necessary, remove some of the fluid and discard it. Unscrew the lower caliper guide pin bolt and pivot the caliper up to access the pads. Support the caliper in this position with a length of wire, so it doesn't fall down while replacing the pads. Remove the inner and outer pads from the mounting bracket, noting how they are installed. Remove the upper and lower pad retaining clips from the caliper mounting bracket. If they are cracked or distorted, or you're in doubt of their condition, replace them. If desired, apply an anti-squeal compound to the backs of both new pads where they mate with the caliper and piston. Allow the compound to cure for a few minutes before installing the pads. Do not allow the compound to contact the disc. Install the inner and outer brake pads into the mounting bracket. Pull the caliper along with the upper guide pin out of the mounting bracket. Clean the guide pin, inspect it for scoring and corrosion, then lubricate it with high-temperature brake grease. Insert the guide pin and caliper back into the bracket until the boot seats completely. Pivot the caliper over the pads. Repeat this cleaning, inspection, and lubrication step for the lower guide pin bolt, then install it. Tighten the caliper mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Repeat this procedure on the opposite side brake pads. Pump the brakes several times to seat the pads against the disc. Install the rear wheels and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Unblock the wheels. Check the fluid level in the master cylinder reservoir, adding new fluid if necessary until it reaches the max line. Install the reservoir cap.